This is a preview from our hair color masterclass. This is a hair color correction session. We are correcting at-home box hair color. This is her hair before the correction service. She is in natural hair color level 1. And this is her hair after Beauty Wellness Hair Care removed those frizzy red-orange ends and lifted those level 1 roots. It's hard to believe this is the same head of hair. What do you think? How do you like the new hair color? She had been coloring her hair at home for years. You can see where her scalp is greasy, but the mid-shaft and ends are dry and frizzy. We used 1,000,000 foils to achieve this dimensional, cool blonde hair color. And then we dropped some keratin on top to fill in, nourish, and smooth each and every abraded hair strand. In this before image of her hair, we can visibly see the damage from the box hair color on the end. We can also see the 30% gray in the crown and the front fringe. We have to formulate to cover the gray, lift the base, and blend those red-orange ends. Beauty Wellness Hair Care, we understood the assignment and we delivered this gorgeous, multi-dimensional, cool, blonde hair color. When you're a natural hair color level 1, a box hair color from the store will never take you blonde. They only give you 1 to 2 levels of lift that will leave you at the red-orange stage. She had 4 to 5 feet of hair, and we used an entire can of bleach. We used about 30 ounces of developer. We used 3 different strengths of developer. We used 3 ounces of bond builders and 3 ounces of powdered collagen. It took us 6 hours from start to finish to achieve this beautiful, cool, dimensional blonde hair color. It cost this client a fortune for this hair color transformation, but she was happy to pay it. Now she realizes that she'll never get the dimensional blonde that she wants out of a box of hair color that she bought from a drugstore. The developers in those box hair colors are very rough on the hair. Professional developers have buffers and conditioners built in to nourish the hair during the lifting process. Oh, and I forgot to say, we use 6 tubes of toner and about 24 ounces of toner developer. But it was worth every ounce, every minute, because look at the results. Her hair color is amazing. Now, she is a natural hair color level 1 with 30% gray. She is of Vietnamese descent, and she had been coloring her hair at home, and she had over 3 feet of red-orange ends. The hair color principles that you need to learn to take clients with Eumelanin pigments to a cool blonde are really easy to learn and understand, and we can help you get there. It doesn't matter if they're Vietnamese, African, Brazilian, Eskimo, Polynesian, Indian. Eumelanin is a pigment that is a beast to work with. In beauty school, they teach you to deal with faux melanin. Manufacturers test their products on faux melanin hair. So if you want to become a true master stylist and master hair color, we can help you get there. Come visit us at beautywellnesshaircare.com.